In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline to Google Sites. Whether you're a teacher showcasing classroom projects, a team manager tracing the trajectory of a campaign, or an individual wanting to chart out personal milestones, timelines can be incredibly useful. And today I'm going to guide you step by step to make this process straightforward and efficient using the platform Common Ninja. First, let's head over to Common Ninja. If you haven't used this platform before, it's a fantastic tool for creating dynamic and visually appealing widgets for your website. Once you're there, look for the Create button. Clicking this is your first step towards setting up your timeline. Now in the search bar, type the word timelines, and you'll see an option pop up for creating one. Click on plus, create a timeline to start crafting your personalized timeline. Here's where the fun begins. You'll want to edit your timeline by adding meaningful events and milestones. You can modify the current item by clicking on it. Alternatively, you can add new items by selecting Add Item. This flexibility lets you tailor the timeline to your exact needs and preferences. Remember, this timeline represents your story or your project, so make sure it conveys all the essential details. Next, you'll want to personalize the aesthetics to suit your website. Look for the paint icon, which allows you to edit the look and feel of your timeline. If you're like me, you'll appreciate how easy it is to make your timeline visually complement the rest of your site. Tinker with the layouts next, then move on to card layouts to ensure each entry is clear and distinct. Finally, fine-tune other design aspects until you're satisfied with the overall appearance. Once you've completed your customization, click on Save Changes. Saving ensures you won't lose your hard work and creative effort. Now we need to integrate this timeline into your Google site, so let's go ahead and copy the code provided by Common Ninja. It's the key to embedding your timeline smoothly. Now head over to your Google site. You're going to embed the timeline there, so find and click on the embed option, then paste the previously copied code. It's straightforward, but make sure you paste it accurately to prevent any display issues. Click next to proceed. Finally, select Insert to finalize the embedding process. With just a few clicks, your timeline is now live on your Google site for everyone to see and explore. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a rich interactive timeline to your Google site. This feature breathes life into any project or story you wish to share online. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you enjoy creating and sharing your timelines as much as I do.